Metroidvania games are super immersive. The amount of thought put into making one is absolutely insane. Level design, art, sound effects, music, and the overall game design, everything counts. I've been using the Godot game engine for about 3 months now, and I've watched enough Game Maker's Toolkit videos to understand the design a lot more. If I had watched and researched prior to starting my previous project, I don't think I would have quit. It's time for this little kid to take on a big boy project. I'm sorry if the last video felt rushed. I was in a massive time pickle, but I really do hope that you enjoy this video. When I'm starting out with any game, I like to make the artwork first. Well, you're probably saying, you're supposed to prototype it first and polish it. To that I simply say, I like eye candy, I like it a lot. I find it a lot easier to work on a game when I know how it's gonna look. I love 1-bit art, so I started off by first making a little room for the player to start off in. I learned something when I gave up on my old game. The game followed a dark and dull color palette to emphasize the fact that the world was in the dark.
Bravo 6, going dark.
But that made the diversity of the game a lot worse and boring to play and boring to work on. This time we're going with the lore that the world is corrupted by flippin' aliens. Insert funny joke. Alright. I was sitting at my desk watching Peppa Pig as usual when I thought of live streaming and working on the game. So I live streamed. We didn't get a whole lot done, but it was really fun talking to everyone while making the game. We were able to add an NPC, more parallax effects, and a melee combat system. I'm gonna be streaming a lot often now, so you better subscribe. And we're so close to 500 when we're making this video, so please subscribe. I want to get all the platforming features done in the first episode, so it's time to add a dash move, so you can steal all the milk from the store. I've experimented with many dash implementations in Godot, but found this one to be the easiest and most effective in my opinion. When the player hits the dash button, the speed variable will be increased and the gravity is set to 0 while also starting a timer for 0.2 seconds and setting the speed back to its original value and resetting gravity when the timer runs out. Then instancing translucent player sprites to create a dash effect. Very cool. This is a good time to tell you to follow my Github. I post some useful stuff there, for example ScriptFab, which you can read about a lot more if you click the link in the description. I haven't done a lot in this episode because it's just the first episode and more of building a foundation for the game. I hope you're excited as I am for what this game will be in the future. Now, I've noticed that our fellow game dev YouTuber Papercuts is giving shoutouts to other small game dev YouTubers that are under 1,000 subscribers. Well, I thought of doing so too. This channel is growing really fast with your support, so as they say, what's the point of success if you don't share it? Today it goes to HangDev. He makes devlogs and they're really underrated. 30 subs, come on, get this guy to 100. The videos he put out right now are great and imagine what they would be like in the future. Thank you everyone so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.
I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.